In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on eBay. If you've switched inboxes or simply want a cleaner address for your account, updating it on eBay ensures your notifications, purchase confirmations, and messages arrive where you expect. We'll keep this simple and secure, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to avoid common mistakes. Start by signing into eBay in a web browser. The full desktop site is the most reliable for account changes, and it works on a phone or a computer. Use your current email or username and your password to log in. If you have two-step verification, be ready to approve the sign-in. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official eBay site before entering credentials, and avoid using public Wi-Fi for this kind of update. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings. Click your name or profile icon at the top of the page, then choose Account Settings. Depending on your layout, you might also see My eBay, then Account. Look for a section labeled Personal Information or Account Preferences. This is where your contact details live. Find your email address and click Edit next to it. If the menu looks different, don't worry. eBay sometimes updates labels. The key is to locate the place where your email is listed so you can change it. Now, enter the new email address you want to use. Type it carefully and double-check for typos, because this address will receive your order updates and may be used for sign-in. Make sure you can access that inbox right now. It's a good idea to keep the old inbox open until the change is confirmed, just in case you need to reference past messages. After you submit the new email, eBay will automatically send a verification message to that address. Open your new inbox and look for the email from eBay. Click the verification link inside to confirm the change. This step is required. Your email won't update until you complete it. If you don't see the message, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders and wait a minute or two for delivery. If nothing arrives, go back to eBay and request a new verification email. After you verify, you may be asked to sign in again. Return to your account settings and confirm the new email now appears on your profile. That's it. Your notifications and messages will now go to the new address. This doesn't change your username or password, but it's a good time to review your security and notification preferences to keep everything up to date.